My name is Abhishek Anand. Today I am going to talk about a very important topic which has been happening during this week, which is nothing but a rainfall which has been caused due to a cyclone which has been formed in the Bay of Bengal. So let me tell you about that, what has been happening and its consequences. So this all things started on the previous week, that is approximately on 20th, where low pressure has been formed into the Bay of Bengal and slowly it developed into a cyclone. So generally how the cyclone forms is that first of all the cyclone forms in the area known as the tropical zone. So what is the tropical zone means? Where heat is available in a particular area, or the heat is formed in a particular area. So in that area only the cyclone forms. So here what happens is the wind blows with the cold air and the heat is mixed up and then the low pressure is formed. This is my simple basic idea as far as I have understood. Later on what will happen is this low pressure will slowly intensify and then become a cyclone. So as per the government predictions or say meteorological department predictions, this cyclone will landfall on 25th November, that is on Wednesday, late night, and on 26th November, early morning, that is approximately at 2 p.m. So many people are afraid because the similar incident has been taken place at 2015. That cyclone name is Gaja cyclone, which has affected the entire Chennai, and the Chennai has been flooded. So because of that, the many precautions later on have been followed, or say many steps has been taken to not to occur in a similar way later on. So what I am trying to say is, after the incident of this Gaja storm, many things have been changed due to that. So coming to the latest cyclone, many people are afraid of that. So as of now, when I am taking this video, the cyclone has not passed yet. It is yet to be passed. But the thing is, the entire Chennai city has been, drenched or submerged in water because of the heavy rainfall in it. And not only that, due to this, the many people have been suffering from this rainfall, not come out and able to purchase their needs. So what happened? So now what is happening is, there has been a heavy rain going on in Chennai, and approximately due to this there will be many damage caused due to the cyclone. And not only that, the government have been taking many precautionary effort in order to reduce the damage of this cyclone. So we need to wait and see what's happening, because currently I am shooting at Wednesday, that is on 25th November, I am shooting this video. So what will happen, we have to wait and see for that one, because within the next few hours the cyclone will pass between Puducherry and Kadaloor districts. And not only that, the Puducherry Chief Minister has imposed Section 144 because of this cyclone alert. So many precautions effort has been taken and many people have been evacuated from the low-lying areas of coastal line, and the government is also giving precautionary measures to the people who are staying in low-lying areas of other parts, which includes Chennai. And not only that, not only that, the government has also declared holidays for 12 to 13 districts, which includes Chennai, on 25th November and on 26th November. So let's hope for the best and see what's happening. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share and tell me what video I should make next. And also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.